there an easy?
So real quick, guys. Sorry, I'll get to your question in a moment. Basically, I want to just show you a universal use of the edit wall profile feature. So I know I showed you a couple of little mini ones before on the back side of the building, but this one is like really large and you can see it very easily. So in my floor plan, I have this exterior wall that kind of stops short of connecting. You can see it stops short of connecting right there. And then this one, which basically projects through my space way too far. I don't want it to project like that. It's supposed to stop, but on the bottom level, like it's supposed to stop right here, and then on the bottom level continue. So I need to edit that wall profile so it cuts out that corner. So I'm going to edit this profile. Oh, it won't let me do it because I have the plan view activated. You have to do it in a view that can see the side of the wall. For something like this, I like to use the 3D view. I know I showed you some of this before, but anyway, so grab that wall, click on Edit Profile, and then you can do a couple things. So I showed you how to like just draw lines in before, but the cool thing, I think it's like amazing, is you can use the line picker. And you're going to get used to different uses for the line picker, the pick lines, the little green thing up there. Basically, I can click that and select a face that it would be aligned to, and it automatically draws a line aligned with that face. And I can do another one down here on the bottom side of my first floor assembly, and you'll see that it drew those two lines that are in plane and relative to those two faces. So I just need to use my my trim extend tool and connect those edges. So I'm going to connect that here, this here, that there, right? And then hit check. Okay. So it clipped off that left-hand corner, and it also, you'll notice this top right corner is clipped off as well. That's because it's automatically cutting it at the roof height. So we did that last week. So anyway, I just wanted to make sure you guys had a very clear singular tutorial to go to when you need to look at editing profiles.